Cashew Brittle. Another really great freezer treat, and it takes really short amount of time to make. So the first thing we're gonna do is pour about a cup of cashews onto a tray with parchment paper. Spread them out a little bit. So you need 1 cup of melted organic coconut oil. And then take the coconut oil, add 4 of these Caramel Fit Chews to it. These things are awesome. They're gonna help you balance your blood sugar levels and they'll support your adrenal glands. So we just wanna soften them up in the coconut oil a little bit. And then we're gonna add 4 scoops of vegan chocolate protein powder, which is the equivalent of 40 grams of protein. Once it's well blended, we're gonna just pour it right over the cashews. Get off there. Don't put that part on YouTube. I can't get it off. Then we're just gonna pop it in the freezer, and once it's hardened up enough, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, we can break it up and bag it and store it in the freezer. So after about 20-30 minutes, you're gonna pull the pan out of the freezer, and you can just break this up into chunks and bag it, keep it in the freezer. And I would say probably a couple chunks per serving is great. It makes a good snack after dinner if you just have a little bit of a sweet tooth and you want something without having a full-blown dessert. So good. So then you're gonna bag this up and you're gonna hide it in the bottom back of the freezer so nobody else knows. Let me know how you guys like these. These are one of my favorite little freezer treats. I love having a little go-to snack so I don't slip up and eat something that's really not gonna serve me. I always think of food as fuel, and so like and subscribe if you want some more tips. We're gonna have a whole lot more videos coming out really soon. Enjoy, guys. Cheers. No, don't do that one.